We gotta watch out for the snakes and shit. Oh, effort. Oh, oh. That shit cold. Ooh, they hit it fast, bruh. Yes. Look, they hitting it immediately. Man, bruh, it's 2 fish. Come on, I might get 2. Come on, come on. I might get 2. You seen them? A little chub.
You don't want this, huh?
We catch everything. This a multi-species day. Y'all gonna be on me about that. Multi-species, you know. I pulled his lip off. My bad, little dude. Look. He like, fuck! Fuck! It's coming closer to him this time. Ooh, they everywhere. I want that big one though. Come on with it. Something under there smoking. One more. This is my last one this way, and then we're gonna keep walking. Cause we gotta jump across, don't we?
Yeah.
Ooh, look, he hit me. He hit me. Oh,
You got him?
yes.
You said you gonna
Yes,
get
sir.
him.
I had to get him.
He
Come
said
on.
I'm gonna get him.
I had to get him. Look at this fish. This why we come to the jungle, y'all. Oh. Look at this fish. Hold on. Oh. Damn, I dropped him. I was finna show him off, bro. We gotta jump. I bet. You don't gotta hand me no pole. What? Oh.
Yeah, you get fucking triathlon or some shit, ain't it?
Yes, sir. We finna hit another fish from the other side. Creek chub.
I'm gonna jump when we go forward.
Oh, I hit another one. Look, he nice too.
No, for real.
He got red on him. Now he's smaller.
Yeah, he different.
This why we come to the jungle. Ooh. Oh man, you ain't let me get the jump, bro. It's all good. I got the fish though.
That jump fun.
All right, this what I was trying to do to the last fish. Look at this fish. Let me get in the light better. The color's coming off it just. It's doable. Watch this. Look, they jumping out the water for this bait, bro. Oh, I hit him. Oh, I hit him. These little things back here everywhere. Man, he was tripping, but y'all in the bait now, y'all. Hit me with your best shot. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. That's what I'm talking about, little dude. Should I dip him again? See if he get off?
He ain't gonna get off.
He ain't getting on. Yeah, he's stuck.
Ding, ding, ding. Show me the
Oh,
money.
he jumped. Well, y'all see. There you go.
I feel like you're going to put something right here. Damn. See how many responded that fast, man?
Nah, them chubs, I don't want to catch them. Them bitches feel nasty. They feel nasty as hell. I know, I am too.